Hi guys, what's up? This is your girl Psycho Pal and I'm gonna do another unboxing of something that I scored last Black Friday sale. Without further ado, I think we have to start and let's do this. Come on. Alright, cool. This is something that I got last Black Friday from Amazon. While taking advantage of the Amazon Prime, Vaughn and I were able to get a coupon and use it for this purchase. I used to have a drawing tablet back then and I would like to have an upgrade, so we thought of getting Huion instead of a much pricier brand. For starters, the brand that I was eyeing is double the price. We got a coupon for this and got the device at $279 instead of $300 plus. So looking at that, the brand that I was eyeing was about $600. So upon getting through the second layer of boxes, you're gonna see this thank you note from Huion. And now for the main packaging, so you're gonna notice that it is cushioned for safety purposes. Now inside the box are the tablet itself, which has a 13.3 inches of display, the pen stand, the software info, and the cables. Now the software info package includes the 2-finger Huion Artist Glove. Now I'm gonna show you the basic functions. The buttons include the power, of course, and the others are programmable to features like brushes, zoom, erase, space, and undo. Now, like I said, it's programmable so you can have any shortcuts that you would like to have. Now, the reason that I decided to purchase this was because the one that I was eyeing has the same dimensions, specifically its display, which is 13.3 inches with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now, compared to other brands, Huion's screen is laminated, which means thinner space between the pen and the area where the drawing and your pen pressure are being captured. Huion's pen pressure or sensitivity is much better than others, and that's why I got this one. Now, both of the devices that I considered have 1000:1 contrast, and all of these you can get at a very affordable price. So that's pretty much it. That's all for the unboxing of our Huion Kamvas 13. I can say that as early as now, it is really a great alternative for someone who cannot afford the top-tier drawing tablet. Well, it has everything that I really wanted to have in a drawing tablet, and it's really awesome. So that's about it for the unboxing. Also, a little favor for those who are still watching. Please help your girl. Like, subscribe, comment down whatever you think about this video. And also don't forget to follow me on my socials. They're all there. So, what else? Nothing more. That's all for today. And again, this is your girl Psycho Pal saying share the love, and I'm gonna sign out now. Bye and ciao.